In this video, I'll show you how to load paper inside of your Canon PIXMA MG2525 or 2522 or 2520. It's all the same process. So let's get started. What you need to do is to open this small lid that is on the top, like this. Just swing it out. Take your stack of paper. It can be one single sheet of paper or many. Just make sure they're aligned. And you'll need to move this gray plastic guide to the left side or to the right side, depending how large is your paper. Let me show you what I mean. So this is some A4 paper, just the basic everyone uses. You're gonna bring this all the way to the left, take your stack of paper and just let it go inside this slot. And then you can bring this small gray guide just a tiny bit to the right side so it hugs the paper. So the paper doesn't move around. This is the goal of this small part over here. And now you can start printing. But if your paper is smaller than just some regular A4, just for the sake of this video, let's say you want to print on this kind of paper, which is a lot smaller. You're gonna put it and make sure it's aligned on the right side. Okay, it touches here. And then bring this gray guide all the way like this, so it hugs again the paper and the paper doesn't move around. Okay, just bring it and you're done. This printer can print on 4x6, 5x7, A5, B5 or A4 like I just showed you. When you're done, you can simply close it to make the printer more compact. And before printing, just make sure that you put this small plastic flap out, all the way out, because this is where the printed paper will rest when it's finished printing. So thanks for watching. I hope this video was useful. If so, leave a like, leave a comment down below, check the links in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.